Hi guys, welcome to Scented Flames and Crafts. My name is Nicolette. Today we're gonna look on our patchouli fragrances, both in soaps and candles. As you see, our bars are really thick. So we also have candles in the 18 ounce and the 10 ounce. Our soaps have a bit of peppermint and tea tree in it also. You have to know patchouli to love patchouli. Patchouli is a clean fragrance. But if you have never used patchouli, it's time to try something different. I promise you, you'll love this fragrance. Alright? Until next time, bye.